This is why I think the buy and hold strategy can retire you for life. What is up, everybody? It's your boy, Real Estate Investor Sav, and I'm here in Windsor, Ontario. I'm known for adding accessory dwelling units, GCing your project, fixing and flipping, and also I'm a BRR specialist. Today, I'm going to be talking about my reasons why I rather buy and hold properties versus fixing and flipping. Number one, taxes. I pay too much damn taxes, man, and I don't want to anymore, and I don't think you want to either. All right, so as you know, I made $100,000 on this flip right here, but out of that, $25,000 has to be paid to CRA in capital gains taxes. In Ontario, if for those of you who don't know, you pay 50% on 50% of the profits that you actually make. So on a $100,000 profit, you're paying $25,000 to the man for doing absolutely nothing, but you did all the work. That's just crazy. Why would you want to do that? And I'm not even talking about the taxes on the remaining $75,000 that you have to pay to him also. Number two, write-offs. So as you know, if you have rental properties, you can write off a lot of expenses and reduce your taxable income. So what am I talking about? I can do my home office, I can do my insurances, I can do my vehicle expenses, my phone, my internet bills. I can write that off, a portion of that, on each one of my rental properties, bringing the income of those rental properties to the lowest possible value. That's the advantage of having a buy and hold strategy versus a fix and flip. You can't do that in a fix and flip. Maybe you can do it one time, but you can't do it every single time. And if you got the right accountant, I'm sure you can add off more on your write-offs. Number three, appreciation. Guys, you know, here in Ontario, history shows us that our home value doubles every 10 years. So can you imagine? I bought this house over here for $500,000. In 10 years, that's going to be worth $1 million. That means I have $500,000 extra in 10 years for doing absolutely nothing. Get it? Let that sink in. Show me another strategy or another way to save $500,000 in 10 years. Most people can't do it. If you show me how to do it, I'll follow you. Best believe that. Number four, positive cash flow. Listen, at the end of the day, we're all doing this because we want to sit back and relax and retire, right? And not keep working every single day. If you have enough positive cash flow from your properties, you can get up and decide if you want to go to work, when you want to go to work, and who you want to work with, right? Let me explain. So if you are just a flipper, you got to do that over and over and over again just to get enough money to pay your bills and survive. And it's a full-time job. Don't get it twisted. You got to keep going, because the moment you stop flipping, the money dries up. Now let's imagine you had 10 rental properties, all positive cash flow of $1,000. That is equivalent to 120 grand a year without lifting up your finger. So you can sit back and relax and enjoy that money and pay your bills and enjoy your life on a beach somewhere, and you don't have to worry about it. So those are my four top reasons why I rather buy and hold versus fix and flip. I hope you enjoyed the content, and if you did, smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and all my social media platforms, and we put out great content for you to follow.